Third destinations in Ramoji Film City. We are going to enter in the Space Yatra. Let's see what is inside. Now the Space Yatra is started. This is the third show at Ramoji Film City. Oh, how it is moving. Can you see? This is the entrance of the Space Yatra. Hope you can see how it is rotating. Thank you.
Little spaceships from another civilization.
Friends, we are in Space Yatra now.
They're still on our tail. Let's hide in here. Uh-oh. Hold on. It might get bumpy. And opening. Let's go. I think we lost them. I spoke too soon.
Now we are doing exist from the Space Yatra. Beautiful sites are there. Okay, if you want to purchase anything, you can purchase at this place. Oh, see, beautiful original T-shirts also are available for the small kids there. So you can purchase such type of tickets. And see how colorful. Oh, see how colorful it is there. So color changing, okay, T-shirts are available at this place. So I think cost will not be there. But yeah, it can be available there. Yes, but it can be available only at this place there. So we can purchase. So, dear friends, as you might have enjoyed at Ramoji Film City, I've given you a brief idea about the entrance, I've given you a brief idea about the pay and park, I've given you brief information about how can you get the tickets for the Ramoji Film City sightseeing as well as the adventure parks and all. Later on, when you come at this place, make sure come early so that you can see the welcoming sightseeing and welcoming songs and welcoming dance also. Beautiful dance by these girls and the boys, those who perform at this place. So now I'm going to take you after Space Yatra at a different place where the actions are going to be shown to you. Let's see.
अनोखे जग में अनोखी धुन में अनोखे जग में अनोखी धुन में सुनाने बड़े मजे की बात निकली तारों की बारात हम तुम सबको लेके साथ निकली तारों की बारात हम तुम सबको लेके साथ अनोखे जग में अनोखी धुन में अनोखे जग में अनोखी धुन में सुनाने बड़े मजे की बात Welcome friends, it happened one fine evening. In a dark hall, the light flickered on the screen of the theatre. An image appeared and it changed my life forever. The series of images that followed after that held me spellbound. I knew I was captured by its magic. That was cinema. I was so obsessed with its magic that I wanted to be a magician myself. And so I did. Soon, I wanted to expand my magic world and include all of you into its orbit. That is how
Ramoji Film City came into being. Today, you are in the most state-of-the-art film city in the world. My team is ready to take you on a tour of this action theatre. Are we ready?
Yes, sir. Team is ready.
So friends, enjoy this movie-making experience. You will find it unforgettable because you will not be passive spectators here. You will participate in this show. Come, share my love.
The same
स्टार रूम के अंदर जाइए 2 मिनट में आप सुपरस्टार बनने वाले हैं बाइक 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 ऊपर ओके रेडी चलो हीरोइंस राइट अभी आप लोग एक 3 चोर लोग हैं ओके बैंक रॉबरी करके भाग रहे आपके पीछे पुलिस ऑफिसर आ रही ओके सिंगल टेक में कंप्लीट करना है सब से गल एकदम लॉक में तीनों एक साथ करा राइट लेफ्ट ओके आइए सर अभी कैमरा पे देखिए सर सिंगल टेक टेकिंग ऑलराइट डायलॉग
30 टेक ऑन
सुपर यस मौका दे सर हाँ साइलेंस बोलिए
साइलेंस
गुड लाइट्स बोलिए
लाइट्स
जोर से बोलना है ओके
लाइट्स
गुड रेडी अब ये सब देखना ऊपर देखना ओके चलिए पोजीशन टेकिंग सिंगल टेक हो गया जैसे डायरेक्टर बोलते हैं ऐसे करना ओके पोजीशन अभी सिर्फ पोजीशन पे रहना ओके रेडी कैमरा बोलिए सर
Film shooting is going on.
एक्शन
एक्शन
उनको यही बोलना है
एक्शन
स्टार्ट
See, this is the how shooting is done at Ramoji Film City. That is shown here. See, can you see here?
Yes.
Can you see? They are actually here.
टेंशन
Now,
सर सीन चेंज बोलिए
they are
सीन चेंज
behind. Scene change.